What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing a closure wig install, and now I'm going in with my nude cap, and I'm doing my nude cap method. If you guys want like a specific, or I should say detailed nude cap tutorial on how I do that and my whole process for that, I definitely can go into detail for you guys. Just let me know. Now I'm going in and I'm sewing my thread across where the closure is going to lay. So after I sit my client under the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes, I cut off the extra nude cap, and then I go in with my makeup and I blend that in with her skin tone. And then after that, I go in with my beautiful hustler glue that I just ordered, and I did about 4 to 5 layers. What I really like about this glue is how clear it dries once you apply it. It doesn't matter how many layers you use, as long as you apply them thin and evenly, it's going to be clear. So the hair is braided down, the cap's on, our layers of glue is on. Now we're finally at the hard part, which is applying that lace. As you can see, I readjusted the wig to make sure it's on all the way in the back. I sewed it on as well off camera. Now I'm going in with my tweezers and I'm plucking areas that need to be thinned out that I didn't really catch on the mannequin. Sometimes that happens when you put it on the client's head. I'm going in with my wax stick that I got from Beautiful Hustler as well. I really like it because it also serves as a heat protector and it's not greasy. So now, as you can see, I'm pulling out where I want my baby hairs to be. I'm doing the gel method today, and with the foam and the gel, it's honestly about your client's preference. It really doesn't matter which way. It's really up to your client, and I know for her in particular, it's easier for her to maintain the got-to-be edges over the foam edges. Now you see me just hot combing her part, making sure everything's laying flat. And now time for the crimps. This is like my least favorite thing to do in the world. Yeah, that's just the real tea. But I did them, and I used Got To Be freeze spray. I spread it all over the hair before I crimp the hair. But if the client doesn't like Got To Be, if they feel like that's too harsh on their hair, I'm gonna show you a hairspray that I use as well, but it's gonna be towards the end of the video. You can also use that hairspray. It's much more lighter and it doesn't make the hair as hard as it Got To Be. But my client wanted her crimps to last and she wanted the crunchy look, so we did the Got To Be spray. As you can see, it's a very repetitive process. I'm cutting my baby hairs, and now looking back at the video, I really could have cut these like a tad bit shorter, but they were still cute nonetheless. I used my Got To Be gel, as you all know already. For most girls, this is probably the preferred look because the mousse baby hairs, they're cute, but they're harder to maintain. And if you don't know how to do your own hair, they're probably gonna last you 2 days. So this is more ideal for the clients who don't really know how to maintain their own hair. So after blow drying those baby hairs, I go on with a little foam at the top of the hair just to make sure there's no flyaways, and I go back in with the hot comb as well just to make sure everything's flat and laid. You always want to go on with a wide tooth comb when combing out your crimps. This Sebastian hairspray is what I was telling you guys about earlier. This is a spray you can use before crimping your hair if you don't want them to be too rough and you feel like they Got To Be too harsh. That's the perfect spray to use. And this is pretty much the overall look. Here's the before and after. Get into the slay, get into the vibes. sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't already. Follow me on Instagram at slayedbymatthew. Show me some love. And be sure to let me know what you guys want to see next.